Fred, good to have you on board. And are you going to take a Lyft? That's our first name here.
I'd say we're neutral on Lyft. I think there are a lot of really good tailwinds here. I think the hybrid work model and the high cost of cars, the high cost of gasoline, and the high cost of insurance, by the way, all of those things, because cars are more expensive to repair if you're in an accident. So I think all of that's probably going to deter some car ownership and car usage. And so our view is that there are a lot of positive tailwinds here. On the one hand, on the other hand, a lot of those costs are now being borne by the drivers. So I think our view is a little bit is on the neutral side. If I were going to plunge into either one of these companies, because there is a second one we have to discuss briefly, which is Uber, I'd probably be more inclined to want to own Uber. I think its growth will be a little less because it has scale, but that's one of its advantages, and it is truly an international player. But I think if you believe in transportation as a service, then I think Lyft is actually a pretty viable investment. We don't own it. We've played around with it. We haven't made a decision in that regard. We do buy secular growth companies. That's our forte. And so we've been tempted, but we'd like to see the model be a little bit better proven in terms of the ability to get there.
Speaking of secular growth companies, let's move on to number 2, which is Riot Blockchain. Is this one you like? Is this one you own?
We don't own it. We do own Bitcoin for clients. If you go back to our website, Lane Generation, to the fall of 2020, we were advocating purchases of Bitcoin, and a lot of our clients got in early enough so they actually still have a small profit. We had quite an interesting round trip. We're believers in Bitcoin. We believe that with fiat currencies being increasingly devalued, that there's a real role for Bitcoin, not for the other cryptocurrencies I mentioned. We are only an advocate of Bitcoin, and the reason we are is because of the limited fixed supply. So this is the largest Bitcoin mining facility in North America. They mine for their own account. They mine for institutional investors. We actually, if you like Bitcoin, we think this is a great leverage way to play Bitcoin. So we like Riot Blockchain. We don't own it, but we may.
All right, very good.
Let's talk grid dynamics, because we don't do that a lot here, Fred. What do you think?
Well, we think these services companies. This is a very much smaller version of Accenture, or you may have heard of EPAM systems. And grid dynamics is basically helping large corporations, Home Depot, Raymond James, firms like that, become increasingly digital. And so if you like enterprise software and think enterprise software is critical, which we do, and we think that part of controlling inflation is going to be making our employees more efficient, more effective, then I think you have to like enterprise software. This company, Grid, enables that, and they're global. A lot of their business is in Europe, and a lot of their manpower is in Europe, primarily Eastern Europe and India. So they're able to basically provide this consulting service across the board, actually. It's a number of different functions, but basically, if you look at Grid, I think it's a very interesting play. I might add, it only has a 2% short interest, so you're not going to get much lift from that. Riot Blockchain, by contrast, has a 23% short interest. So by contrast, if in fact people start to get comfortable with Bitcoin and want to invest in Bitcoin, that's going to be, I think, a very positive factor for Riot Blockchain. But we'd be a buyer of Grid Dynamics, but we do not own it currently.
All right.
We only own 18 to 24 positions at any point in time. We're deep research, deep conviction investors. So, you can't own everything, but these are meritorious names in each case.
And maybe we've given you some leads. Fred, thanks so much for your time. It's great to have you today.